Hi, this is Blaine Cluten for Cluten Law. The question today is, how do you protect yourself financially in a divorce? Now, the way that I usually explain this to folks is I break it down into two parts. There's the pre-marriage planning that you can do, and then the post-marriage. So in pre-marriage planning, the thing that we're looking at is prenuptial agreements. And generally the way that prenuptial agreements work out, and it's best generally to talk to an attorney about this kind of a thing. If you're at all thinking about a prenuptial agreement and you have the assets to cover it and you're thinking about getting married, talk to an attorney. But generally speaking, when you're talking about a prenuptial agreement, you're going to designate which property is covered by the prenuptial agreement. So you could be talking specifically about real property, bank accounts, retirement accounts, any specific property that you're wanting to protect through the prenuptial agreement. You would also usually then also talk about what property is likely to be acquired post-marriage. So whether you have an inheritance coming, or if you make significantly more pension, or if you know you have a pension account that's coming out, what's going to be the disposition of that property in the event that there's a divorce. So that's the first thing, is prenuptial agreement is one way to protect yourself in financially in a divorce. So let's say that you don't have a prenuptial agreement and you're now in the process of getting a divorce. How do you protect yourself financially? Well, there's a number of steps that you can take in order to start to protect yourself. So the first thing you need is to really get a good handle on all of the assets that you have that are at issue. And you want to get any financial records that you can that are associated with any of those accounts. You really want to have a fundamental understanding of what's going on with every asset wherever they are located. If you can, you're going to want to divert your salary into a separate bank account. So open a bank account that's not in you and spouse's name, but in your sole name. You're also going to want to hire a good attorney. That attorney is going to be able to go through the documents with you and help identify areas that need further investigation. You may also hire a forensic accountant or a financial advisor that's going to help you delve deeper into some of your financial accounts to have a better understanding of what's going on. So these are the steps that you can take post the divorce being filed, but those are really reactionary methods. So that really the best way to protect yourself financially is to be precautionary and take these prophylactic measures like a prenuptial agreement. But if you're in the situation where you're reacting, those are some of the steps you can take. There's certainly some other steps you can take too, but if you're in that situation and you're trying to deal with some of those assets and some of these questions that are coming up, best to talk to an attorney. This is Blaine Cluten for Cluten Law. Thank you.